Hey, Jenny here with another honest Amazon product review. Today I have the Heat Up 4-in-1 potty. This is also referred to as the turtle potty in our house because it is one of our kids' favorite potties, and it's also one of my favorite potties, and I'll show you why. This thing is very compact and very versatile. Obviously, you can sit just like this and potty. You take the little shell off, it's just a little cover. Here's what the inside looks like. The turtle head works as the splash guard, which is really great. And then once they've pottied, you can just take this part off. And inside here is the collapsible silicone holder. So you would just take this, dump it, rinse it. But the coolest part about this potty is that it completely collapses so that you can travel with it. We got it to keep in our car, but we always keep it in our house because our kids love it so much. But you just squeeze this, and then suddenly you've got this tiny little space. And these little feet fold in and out. So if you want to fold them in, you just pull down and bend. So I'll show you how to pull all of these down, how easy that is. And then if you wanted to put it back together, you can put your little silicone thing there, put a little turtle head back on, and the turtle back. And this is as slim as this thing gets. You can slide it in a backpack, keep it in the back of your car, whichever. But you can also do this. Let's take it apart again. Got our 4 pieces here. Here's our little insert. You can flip the legs out and set this on an adult-sized potty like this, and it will sit on top of your potty. So even if you're traveling with this and you're somewhere where you need to use a big potty, you can set this on there too. I think that is so versatile, and we love that. And then when you want to just make it its own potty, you just push the little feet back in so they're up nice and straight, just like that. You also, with this potty, get a little roll of bags, so you can keep your potty clean and travel with it, keep it at home like we do. We love this little potty. I think it's a great deal, and I think you would be pretty happy with it if you got it.